Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix no audio issue in DiRT on PS5 console. If you connected your G923 or G29 to PS5 console, there will not be any sound when you are in track. So I'm going to fix that. So what you need to do is, if you have already connected your wheel with the USB port, just unplug it. So you need to unplug this G923 from PS5 console. So do not insert the USB cable to your PS5. Use your controller. First, I'm going to close this game because I need to restart it to fix the issue. Close game. Use your controller to start the game. Okay. So I'm going to start it. You can hear the music and sounds. Let it pass. So press X to skip. So I'm going to skip this as well.
All right, Ace. You got a main event coming up. You ready?
Now I can hear the sound because I'm using controller. So now go to career and start it. Now plug this USB into PS5 with your driving wheel. So I'm going to plug this. Now I plugged it. Okay. Now I'm going to press this PS button. Selecting it. Now try to move. You can hear the sound. So I'm going to start some game. Now you can hear the sound. So that's it friends, this is the way you can fix the audio issue in DiRT with your PS5 console. Or any other console. If you connect it right, you can follow the same procedure. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in many forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.